Hey everyone, I'm Keith at 2-Bit Woodworks. We're going to be doing an assembly and first use of this WORX WG850 electric Dethatcher. Let's get to it. Well, that wraps it up. This thing did exactly what I needed it to do. It got the thatch up out of the grass. That way I can put down seed and fertilizer and start watering, get it ready. That way in the spring I'll have some nice green grass. This was perfect for me. There are a lot of different options out there for homeowners. If you have a small yard, consider getting something like this. It's a lot cheaper than renting a power rake at the home center, and it's a little bit more user-friendly than those as well. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, not yet subscribed, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. Hit that bell notification, that way you get notified when I put out a new video. If you want a closer look onto what goes on every day at 2-Bit Woodworks, go over and follow me on Instagram at 2-Bit Woodworks. As always, thanks for stopping by. Come back soon and take care.